Hello student. Before tautomerism we will discuss about hybridization. This is a very important topic, hybridization. So now hybridization, there is a carbon-carbon single bond, carbon-carbon double bond and carbon-carbon triple bond. We will discuss about only focus in single bond. So there is a 3 hydrogen single bonds, 3 hydrogen. Yeah, the valency of carbon is 4. You know very well, the valency of carbon is 4. Clear? So now the structure of this formula, there is a 1 carbon attached with 4 single bond and second carbon attached with 4 single bond. Clear? So you know very well, sigma single bond is also known as sigma. This is a symbol of sigma. Now you know very well, in this structure there is a CS2 double bond CS2. Check the valency of carbon. There is a 2 hydrogen. Yeah, there is a double bond. See, there is a 2 hydrogen. Clear? Now check the single bond. Say there is a sigma bond. How many sigma bond in first structure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, there's a 7 sigma structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And in this case, there's a double bond. So one is pi bond and one is sigma bond. So you focus only in hybridization, only focus in sigma bond, not pi bond. Okay, so there is a 1 sigma, 2 sigma, 3 sigma, 4 sigma and 5 sigma. Clear? Now in the case of triple bond, you know very well the suffix of triple bond is "-ine". So there is a CH, triple bond CH. Now the structure of this compound, C triple bond C single bond H. In pi bond, in the triple bond there is a 2 pi bond and 1 sigma bond. So how many sigma bond is there? There is a 3. In this case, sigma bond is what? Sigma is 7. In this case, sigma is what? Sigma bond is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and pi bond is what? 1. This is pi bond, not pi. Okay, in this case there is a sigma is what? 3 sigma bond and pi bond is what? 2 pi bond. Clear? Suppose in your question paper ki how many sigma bond and pi bond are present in CS triple bond CH. This is called ethyne. This is ethene and this is ethane. Clear? Okay. Now there's a two methods to find hybridization. So first sp. There is a sp, sp2, sp3. We will discuss about these 3 isomerism, these 3 hybridization. Okay, so sp means this is a structure of this is a linear structure and the angle between them 180 degree. Linear, you know very well. And sp2 is what? Trigonal planar, and there's angle is what? 120 degree. And sp3 is what? Tetrahedral structure. Tetrahedral, the angle is what? 109.28 degree. But in NCERT book there is a angle is different to 109.5, but you learn 109.28. okay, so linear, and this is what? 2D structure and this is what? 3D structure. This is 2D, this is 3D. Okay, clear? So in this case SP, and how to find SP? This is only focus, these 3 only focus for sigma bond, not pi bond. Sigma, okay, sigma bond. Clear? Now in this case ethane is there, so there is a CS3 and CS3. Yeah. Now how many single bond is there? How many single bond? So now just you check again, you draw the full structure. Yeah, Now check first carbon. Focus on first carbon. This first carbon attached with 4 sigma bond. Yeah, 4 sigma. 1 sigma, 2 sigma, 3 sigma, 4 sigma. Clear? So now this carbon show there is a 4 na. 4 means what? 1s and 3p. Clear? And this carbon show 1, 2, 3, 4. Yani 1s, 3p. S is 1, P is 3. It means 4. Clear? This is sp3. This is a short trick. Now in the case of CH2 double bond CH2. CH2 double bond CH2. So first you check how many sigma bond is there. 1. Only focus, first you focus this carbon, then after this. There's a 3. 3 means what? 1s, 2p. There's a 3. 1s, 2p is mean sp2. This is also 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Both carbon attached na double bond to this. So both are counting. So this carbon attached with this sigma, 1 sigma, 1 sigma. There's a 3 sigma na. It means also sp2. Clear? So this carbon show sp2. This carbon show sp2. In the case of triple bond, so you know very well there's a 2 pi, there's a 1 sigma, 1 sigma. This carbon show 2 sigma bond. 2 sigma, 2 means what? 1s, 1p. This carbon also show 1 sigma, 1 sigma. It means 2. This is also sp. Clear? Clear? This is a short trick. Now suppose you have a different formula. Suppose you have CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH2 single bond CH3. Yeah. So first you draw the structure. This carbon attached with 3 hydrogen and 3 hydrogen sigma bond and 1 this bond. It means what? 4. It means sp3. This carbon attached with 2 single bond and 2 hydrogen single bond. So there's a 4. It means sp3. This is also sp3. This is also sp3. So first you check only sigma bond, not pi bond. Now suppose you have this type of formula in your question paper, CH3 CH double bond CH single bond CH3. So you know very well this carbon attached with 4 single bond, 3 hydrogen and 1 sigma. It means this is a sp3. This carbon is different. Now this carbon check sigma bond, 1 sigma bond, 2 sigma bond and 1 hydrogen. There's a 3. It means sp2. This is also sp2 and this CH3 sp3. Clear? 100% clear or not? Now suppose you have this type of example, CH3 CH double bond CH single bond CH2 single bond C triple bond CH. So suppose you have any problem, then draw the structure. So now suppose you have this structure CH H, just wait. Okay. CH, there's a H, there's a H, there's a CH3, yeah, clear. There's a CH double bond CH single bond C H H C triple bond C single bond H. So check first carbon. This is there is a 4 sigma bond, 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a 4 sigma bond, and this carbon show what? sp3. This check this carbon, 1 sigma bond, 2 sigma bond and 3 sigma bond. Yeah, this is a pi and this is sigma. So there is a 1, 2, 3 sigma. It means what? sp2. This is also 1 sigma, 2 sigma, 3 sigma. This is sp2. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is sp3. And this carbon only 1 and 1 sigma, 2 sigma bond. This is sp. And this carbon also 1 and 1. This is all sp. So it means this carbon show sp3. This carbon sp, sp, sp3. And this is, sorry, sp2, sp2. And this is sp, sp. Clear 100%? So this is a short trick to find hybridization. There is a 2 method. This is the first method, but the second method is different. So we will discuss about second method in the next chapter, chemical bonding. There's a two type of state, ground state or excited state, but this is a simple trick. Just you find, and suppose you have different type of example, just you find ki how many sigma bond is there. So just you count sigma bond and write the hybridization. Clear all of you? Okay, thank you.